What's up everyone? If you're trying to install the Epic Games launcher and that annoying setup wizard embed prematurely error keeps popping up, don't worry, there are a few quick fixes that usually sort it out fast. Start by right-clicking the installer and choosing Run as Administrator. So if it still fails, your antivirus or Windows security might be blocking it. So try temporarily turning off real-time protection, run the installer again, then turn protection back on. So it also helps to clear out your temporary files by pressing Windows plus R at the same time, then type in %temp%. Then delete everything in this folder. And another thing worth checking is the Windows installer service. So simply open services.msc, then find it and hit restart. And if you had Epic Games before, simply make sure that there aren't any leftover files by going to Program Files and delete any old folders. So once you try these, the setup usually goes through without stopping early, and the launcher should install normally again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.